Okay, the next topic we're going to cover is making an appointment in your calendar. Obviously, this is going to have a lot of demand for businesses, so I definitely want to show you how to do this. You just click in here and go into your calendar, and you have a variety of views. You can view it in a day, and that will show you in half hour. It's split up in half hour from midnight to midnight, basically, of all your appointments. You can view it in the work week, Monday through Friday. You can view it in a standard week. You can view it in a month, and you'll be able to see your appointments listed there. Or you can view your schedule, and then of course you can hop quick to the day. Just for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and open it up at noon. Let's say I have a lunch meeting at noon with Dr. Smith, and it's going to last about an hour. I just double click on it, and this is the quick add version. And let's say we're eating at, I don't know, Cliff Breakers. You can show this time as busy. Mark as private, typically, is what you're going to want to do. Basically, the public view is, it's just a permission setting. And like I said, it'll last an hour. If it repeats, then it repeats. You can set that up here. And you can set it up for a reminder as well there. Now I'm not going to go ahead and put this one in just yet because that's the quick view. I'd like to show you the normal, more extended view here. You just go up to New, and you can create a new appointment. And that gives you a little bit more detail here. So I can do meeting with Dr. Smith. Location, Cliff Breakers. You can mark it as an all-day event. Attendees. This is nice because anyone else that's on the server, or actually anyone else that has an email address, you can invite. So for example, I can invite testing at Bear Consult. That obviously already populates in there. And request response is basically they'll get an email saying you've been invited to this event. Do you want to attend? And you have the option to say, yes, no, or not really sure at this point. You can also put in notes. So bring laptop and Zimbra demonstration. It's kind of peculiar that it's a Zimbra server and it marked Zimbra as a spelling error, but okay. Then you can go into the schedule and you can change it from here. Obviously this is the attendees, and say you had like an all-day event or a training class or something like that, you could set it up so that for example Kelly comes in from 8 to 9 and then Paul comes in from 9 to 10, for example. Find attendees, basically it's going to view everything on the server under the Bear Consult domain. So under yours, you're going to see, for example, your company name. So you're going to see your entire company directory under here. So that's handy too. Find locations. This will actually go out and search for businesses, for example. You can go out and search for Cliff Breakers and such. Find resources. That's not going to apply in most situations. So you simply click Save. And there you go. You've got the appointment with Dr. Smith showing up right there on Friday, July 3rd, noon. And as I said before, you'll be able to view your appointments on a monthly basis. So exactly like that. You can see it just like that. Now, this comes in handy. I'll show you later on here with sharing calendars. For example, you could set one shared calendar and then modify it to see how you prefer it. But for example, say you have Paul working on Monday and Kelly on Tuesday and Sarah on Wednesday, but your other employees need to know when they're going to be there. You could put those appointments in there and then share the calendar, and then anyone that you share the calendar with will be able to see that as well. Now just to show you, I did get the email over here, and I can reply here to it. It's very simple. In fact, I'd kind of like to show you this. So I'm going to go ahead and log out and log into the one I've been sending it to. Okay, see, we got the meeting for with Dr. Smith, and I've been requested to attend. You can see that I got the email that says that's the subject, organizer, and that will obviously display the sender's name, location, invitees. It'll show you everyone that's been invited, and bring your laptop and Zimbra demonstration. Gives you the date, time, and even the time zone. And if you noticed, up here you can select accept, tentative, or decline. So you can click accept and say edit reply. Accept by default will just say, shoot an email back that says I'll be there. But you can go in here and you can say and then go ahead and click send. And that'll send the email off, and it'll clear the invite out of your inbox. However, if you go over here to your calendar, now since you're going to attend, it's in your calendar. It automatically populated in there. Now if we log out and go back to demonstration, testing has accepted the meeting with Dr. Smith, and there's my reply right there. So that's how you can utilize the calendar to best suit your needs. You can invite people to meetings and basically anything you see fit. It's a real handy utility. We use it significantly around here.